We took our client from $500 a month all the way up to $4,000 a month with this simple 4-step abandoned cart flow sequence. And today I'll be breaking down the exact strategy that we used, some of the emails that we used, as well as how to set it up in Klaviyo. Let's go ahead and get into it. So most e-com brands make this one big mistake, and that's simply using only one email to follow up with their abandoned customers. Now, this email is already pre-built in the Shopify, so I can see how easy it is to just plug and play, but that's simply not enough. You have to do more than that. And while I preach education in this customer flow, since people are already interested in buying, today we're going to be solely focusing on getting them over that hump and making sure that they get that, or making sure that you get that sale. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive right into my computer, and I'll be showing you the exact strategy, email by email, that we use, show you on Klaviyo, and go over the actual sequences. So here we are on my computer, and I have Lucidchart pulled up for the abandoned cart flow to set up. And first off, we're going to be starting with people who started buying but didn't finish. So that's where the trigger is going to be set up and started. So when we go to Klaviyo, what we're going to do is create a flow. Here we are in Klaviyo, and let's go ahead and show you exactly what you need to do. First, you're going to go ahead and go to create flow. And then we're going to go to the standard abandoned cart reminder. Name it whatever you want, select tags, whatever you want, click create flow. Then what you're going to do is, this is already going to have pre-built flow filters installed. So mainly filtering out people that have not purchased. We usually do a wait of 1 hour before we send out the first email. So we'll just change that to 1. Then on the next email, this is the first email that we'll be going through, and then second, third, and fourth, and you'll also be adding in wait times all along the email. So back to the main strategy here. The first email that we're going to be sending out is simple. Just a call to action back to your cart. You left something in your cart. Here is what you left in your cart. You can also add a few products at the bottom just to cross-sell them, but it's pretty straightforward. It's mainly just a reminder 1 hour after they sent it. Next one is the product use cases plus testimonials, and that usually goes out a day after they've abandoned their cart. So this one's important because you want to showcase how to use your product along with any testimonials, UGC, etc. that will back up the claim of that product use case. Then after another day, we do a quote-unquote last chance to buy, meaning this could be false scarcity. I would not recommend using false scarcity, but it's basically where we push harder for the sale, maybe adding an extra 5% off or maybe a free gift with the purchase. If it makes sense with the product, add in urgency, low stock, limited time, but try to avoid fake scarcity if you don't have it, because people can, smell that BS. And then lastly, email number 4. This is where we try to open the discussion between you or support and the customer to help them with any last minute objections or any last minute questions. So some people still want to buy, but they're too shy to ask. So this helps, bridge that gap and help alleviate any certain things that they had. Maybe it's the pricing, or maybe it's the use case of the product, whatever it might be. This sort of helps open that up and also get feedback from potential customers. And then lastly, if they're not receptive to that email, what we do is we add them back into the welcome flow after the second email, only to non-purchasers. So if they haven't purchased at this point, we sort of add them into a quote-unquote nurture/welcome email flow. So sometimes people enter from the welcome flow that just signed up for the discount code. Sometimes people just go straight to checkout and abandon checkout. So then we just add them into the welcome flow to nurture them further and to get them in our system and help them understand our brand, who the founder is, our messaging, so on and so forth. So later down the road, they can go ahead and purchase. Now, again, you're going to be setting all of these up in Klaviyo, again, line by line, and you can use different filters, different product categories. There's a lot of customization involved here. Once everything is live, you just push it to live, and then you'll have automatic emails going through your Klaviyo account, going through the abandoned cart sequences. So here you can do a conditional split based on, if they clicked on a specific product in the email, etc. There's so much customization that you can do here, but it's pretty straightforward once you get the initial base setup. And you can do this also from scratch if you have WooCommerce or any other integrations set up. So again, it's pretty straightforward. So here, like I mentioned earlier, I wanted to show you a few examples of some emails that we sent out in the past that embody the abandoned cart sequence. So again, this is from Revitalize, one of our past clients. Don't go another day without nerve pain. This is a huge headline that will cause urgency. An item in your cart will expire in 1 day. Don't let them get away. The product that's in there, check out now. Money back guarantee, USA owned and operated, fast delivery. So you'd have those sort of icons there to help reinforce that purchase. Then this is the testimonial email. Still can't decide, see what others have to say. We have a testimonial here, finish your order, 5 stars for Revitalize. And then we have some more testimonials here, finish your order, another call to action. And then last one is like, hey, do you need any help? Do you need any assistance? You can contact us here. And then again, we have those 3 icons at the bottom. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. And if you have any more questions regarding this, just feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks again for watching. And if you're brand new to the channel, be sure to subscribe so that you're caught up on all the latest email and marketing training. If you liked the video, hit the like button and drop a comment on what your favorite part of the video was. And if you're a D2C or an e-commerce brand with an email list of at least 10,000 subscribers, make sure to click the link below the video and book a call with me and my team. We work with all kinds of e-com and D2C brands and help them scale their email revenue by at least 30% month over month. So click the link below, we'll hop on a call, look over your account, compile a strategy, and create a plan of action on how to raise your email revenue. After the call, you'll have the option to use the strategy yourself with your own team, or you can choose to work with us. All up to you. It's completely free, no obligation, so click the link below, book in the call, and if you have a list size smaller than 10,000, keep watching the videos and you'll get a lot of value and learn how to increase your list size as well as generate more revenue from email for your store. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.